Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is one of the last premier flat lots with year-round water on the south end of Lake Wedowee. This lot has a gravel driveway and a large area for your weekend RV. No full-time camping. Your power and water have already been installed for you. There is a retaining wall at the edge of the water that makes a nice sitting area. The covered dock has a boat lift and wheels that you can adjust the dock to the winter water levels. This lot has awesome views out of the cove, with an easy walk tothe dock with 284 feet of shoreline with year-round water. You must see this lot for its value. It is awesome. You are minutes from large open water. Hunter Bend is a restricted subdivision with paved streets, street lights, internet, public water, year-round boat ramps.